Hey guys, today I just want to give you a quick rundown on editing pages. Simply what we're going to do when it comes to editing pages is really what I want to start teaching even myself and everybody else is to edit your pages using your sticky nav bar up here when you're signed into your WordPress account. Now when you're on your front page, you'll notice that you won't have the edit page button up here. And that's because most of your front page stuff is kind of stationary. It doesn't change much unless you're really updating a lot, and that will be updated through your appearances and through your theme options. So we'll go here to one of the Hidden Gem Web Designs pages, and then you'll see the Edit Page button pop up here. And since this page has a lot of pictures, I'll actually go to the next page, the About Us page, to give a little quick tutorial on updating. So what you're going to do is when you're scrolling down through here, some themes put an edit button down here in the bottom corner that you can edit it from there if they do not put it up here. And most of them nowadays are being run from up here at the top. So if I can get it to click, there we go. We'll hit the edit page button and go to our page editor. Now I know that looked a little scary right there, didn't it? Yeah, that is your text editor. If you're a whiz at the HTML, then you'll be over here dabbling with stuff, and this is how you add some more complicated things. But for right now, we're going to stick over here where it's nice and easy. This is just like a text editor, like you'll use like Word or OpenOffice or however you use your text editing, and it works just the same. It'll originally start like this until you it'll look like this, and what I recommend is just go ahead, and it's called the kitchen sink. So you show that, and it'll give you all the options down here, fonts and formats and stuff like that. Basically what you do is just like any other thing you're used to. When you're typing in here, you'll just add all your stuff there. If you want to add a picture like we have here, you'll click Add Media, add your picture, or if you want to add a PDF file, you'll add that through there. You can bold, you can italic, you can put a line through the words that you're typing, you can put links into those words, spell check, all kinds of the same stuff. Now, one thing that you're really going to want to focus on is not necessarily this editing over here, but the stuff on the sides here and down to the bottom. So what we're going to start with over here. We're going to look at our published section, and the current status of this page is published now, which means it is available to the to see from the public. If you would like to change that to pending review or to a draft page, these two will take them off from the from online, so folks will not be able to see these when they see this page when they navigate to your site. The draft page is if you're editing something and you're not finished yet, you don't want to quite put it out there to the public to see. That's when you do that. So you'd click that, you'd click OK, but we're not going to do that for this page right now. And then your visibility here can also be public visibility, so everybody gets to see it. It can be password protected, or it can be private for just users to see. So you can set a password for the page. If you want to, you just click on that, type in your password. It'll make users put in a password, or it can just be completely private. But for most of your main pages that you want the public to see, obviously you want them to be public. And if you would happen to want to get rid of the page, there's a Move to Trash page. Now down here, your page attributes will let you set this underneath a parent page. Now what a parent page is whenever you hover over pages on websites and you see those drop downs, those are the main page is the parent page, and the rest of them are sub pages. So you can click this to be underneath a parent page. So we'll just for right now click the About page to be under our Pages page, and we'll update that real quick, and I'll just show you what it does just in case you don't you're not following me. We'll go back to our site again if I can get it to click, and you'll see that it took the About Us page away and opened it as a drop-down page underneath our pages. So the drop-down pages are, if you want a drop-down page, you set it underneath a parent. But we'll go back to no parent, so it goes back to our front page. Now, if you're not using a separate menu and you're just using the normal, every time you post a new page, it goes on the menu. The order here is the order in which it'll show up. I have this page set as second, so it shows up behind the Our Page, or the Our Pages page, excuse me. And that's how that works. Featured image for pages really doesn't do much. That's more if you have a header that changes for different featured images. Just some other little stuff here. Show calendar titles. So if you want to show the date, or the type of title up here is called calendar title, then you can hit yes or no if you want to show a title. And if you want the sharing buttons on, you can click those so people can share your page. So really, that was just a quick rundown of the page editing. If you have a different themes will allow different stuff to be able to edit down here for your pages, but that's just the basic stuff, and the basic stuff will get you going for your site. So that is editing your pages that you have for your WordPress site. Again, guys, if I haven't covered anything that you'd like to see covered, make sure you shoot me an email, spartan@hiddengemwebdesigns, and I'll answer your question and try to get a video made about it and get it on here for everybody else so we can get you guys made some professional websites for your companies. Thank you very much.